So I have this old MacBook Pro. It's approximately a 2011, and I recently installed Linux Ubuntu onto it, and the operating system is fantastic. I absolutely love it. This thing is better than it was when it was brand new. The problem is that when I installed it, it did not install the wireless drivers because those are proprietary. So this video is about how you can get those drivers and get back wireless. The first thing you're going to need is a hardwire connector like this to connect your Ethernet cable directly to your router. And once you're able to do that, just open up the terminal in Linux, and then the following are the commands that you're going to need one line at a time. Now under Software and Updates, go into Additional Drivers, and as soon as it loads, you'll see you now have this radio button here that you can select. Select that one. Then all you have to do is apply those changes, close it out. So that's it. Now the wireless drivers on this MacBook Pro work flawlessly. I will put the commands in the description below. Hopefully that helped you out. If it did, I'd appreciate that thumbs up like, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.